Hey, in this video, I will show you how to delete your transaction history on Revolut. This method works in 2023 and it will work in 2024. So what you want to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then you want to go on any transaction, for example, this one, and swipe right. Click on hide and I'll show you what you want to do if you do not have the swipe option, and click hide. This will obviously hide it. The second thing you can do is go over to the three dots right here next to transactions, and you can limit the transactions you see. And if you go to one, right, and you make some transaction to your friend, the other ones will be hidden. The next thing you can do is click on CO, go to any transaction here, and here you should have the swipe up option. So this should work for you, and if it doesn't, let me know in the comment section down below and I would love to help you out in the next video. If it did, give me a like button.